A common eligibility टेस्ट नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसी सीट एनआरए संपूर्ण जानकारी रेलवे एसएससी बैंकिंग तीनों के लिए एक ही एग्जाम होगा। यानी 2021 से आपका कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट होगा जो कि आपके तीनों के लिए एक ही टेस्ट अवेलेबल होगा। यानी रेलवे में भी, एसएससी में भी और बैंकिंग के लिए भी। यानी ये प्रीलिम्स करवा लेंगे, उसके बाद वो उसको एसएससी को प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा मेंस के लिए। द न्यू एजेंसी विल कंडक्ट ए कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर ऑल द कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस सीट। यानी कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर ऑल competitive exams like SSC, IBPS and bankings. Single window agency to shortlisted qualifying candidates from bulk of applicants and forward the list to SSC, IBPS, etc. to hold the mains. The proposal for National Recruitment Agency was first introduced by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget 2020. The new agency will be an independent professional specialist organization and will conduct an exam which would be known as Common Eligibility Test for selection to government jobs. The Union Budget mentioned NRA will work as a preliminary, यानी जो प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम होता है उसके लिए एनआरए लागू होगा। नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसीज, एनआरए स्टैंड्स फॉर नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसी। The government sanctioned 1517.57 crore for NRA, Union Cabinet said in a statement, adding that the expenditures will be undertaken over a period of 3 years. Apart from setting up the NRA, cost will be incurred for setting up examination infrastructure in the 117 aspirational districts, the statement says. यानी स्टार्टिंग में ये 117 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में लागू होगा, उसके बाद ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर किया जाएगा। ऑल यू नीड टू नो अबाउट कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट। एट प्रेजेंट द नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसीज will conduct entrance test for staff selection commission and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selections and Railway Recruitment Boards. यानी स्टार्टिंग में ये तीनों के लिए होगा, एसएससी, आईबीपीएस एंड आरआरबी। Second, the hiring of Group B non-gazetted, Group C non-technical and clerical post in the government along with various equivalent recruitment in public sector banks will be done through SEET, Common Eligibility Test. NRA will conduct preliminary examination for all these recruitments. The multi-agency body will conduct a separate common eligibility test, each for the three levels of graduation, higher level secondary, 12th pass, and the matriculation 10th pass candidate. Based on the screening done at the set score level, final selection for recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tier, second, third, etc. organization, which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The score of set will be valid for 3 years. जो यानी और जो score होगा 3 years के लिए valid होगा. There shall be no restriction on the number of attempts to be taken by a candidate to appear in the set subject to the upper age limit, the statement said. Around 2.53 crores aspirants sit for each of these examinations for government jobs or banking jobs every year. A common eligibility test would enable to candidate to appear once and apply to any or all of these recruitment agencies for the higher level of examinations. The curriculum for this test would be common as would be the standards. This would greatly ease the burden of candidates who are at present required to. Candidate would have the faculty of registering on a common portal and give a choice of centers. Based on availability, they would be allotted centers. The common eligibility test would be available in a number of languages. This would greatly facilitate from people from different parts of the country to take the exams and have equal opportunity of being selected, it said. With single common entrance test, candidates no longer need to spend money to fill up different applications for different jobs. The cost of traveling for different examination will also be saved. The NRA will set up examination center in every district of the country to help youths and especially women from rural and far-flung areas of the country, as they would not be required to travel another place to take a recruitment test, the Union Cabinet said in a statement. It will lead to ease of the selection, ease of job placement, and ease of living, especially for those sections of society that are considered disadvantaged. Union Minister Jitendra Singh said in a tweet, "This would go a long way in mitigating the hardship of candidates who spend a considerable amount of time, money, and effort preparing and giving these examinations every year," the cabinet said in a statement. Women candidates, especially from rural areas, face constraints in appearing in multiple examinations as they have to arrange for transportation and places to stay in places that are far away, the government said. एंड जो वुमेन्स हैं फ्रॉम रूरल एरिया से उनको यानी पेपर डिफरेंट पेपर देने में एग्जाम देने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उस तरह की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक एग्जाम्स कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट होगा सभी के लिए. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe my channel. Until next